Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Quick Share so the phones can see one another. This is why you allow Bluetooth and location. Once done, make sure visibility is set to the appropriate level. Everyone for public transfers, contacts to limit recipients. You should also confirm Wi-Fi is on. Quick Share uses direct Wi-Fi for speed. Now pick the file you want to send from Gallery or Files and tap the share icon because that begins the actual transfer sequence. You choose the recipient from the Quick Share list. The phones negotiate a direct Wi-Fi link, which is why devices must stay awake and near each other. Once the other person accepts, the transfer begins automatically and you'll see progress indicators. This shows how much is left and estimated time. If you're sending many files, group them into a single selection to avoid repeated pairing. Make sure both devices remain unlocked until the transfer finishes to prevent interruptions. You finish by verifying the received files in Gallery or Downloads so you know the transfer completed correctly. If a transfer stalls, toggle Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, then retry. Intermittent signals or screen lock often cause failures. Once done, you can disable visibility for privacy. If problems persist, restart both devices and try again. This clears temporary network conflicts. Remember, keeping both devices close and with screens on reduces most errors during.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.